This is going to be a review video of Krazy Binz in London, Ontario. I was there over the weekend. It was $10 day. I was number 7 in the virtual queue. Let me tell you what I got. What's going on, guys? It's Jamie. Welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. If you're new to the channel, I am an online reseller. I sell on eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, pretty much anywhere you can flip stuff online to make money. So over the weekend, like I said in the intro, I was at Krazy Binz in London, Ontario. If you're not familiar with these stores, these are liquidation bin stores, primarily Amazon, but I think it can be Target, Walmart, other things. Basically, they put things in a bin and they price it every day at a different price. I'll throw a little thing up on the screen so you can kind of see the pricing, and there are rules and whatnot. If you're not really sure on how they work, I'll link down and below my first trip there. I explain kind of how everything works and what my overall experience was. But that wasn't a little bit different because I wasn't on the big premium $10 day. So let me show you what I found.
Thrift?
Okay, first of all, I think I picked up about 18 items total with tax. It was just over $200, but $10 plus tax. I will show you everything I got. There are some multiples, but let's look at them. Okay, so the first thing up are these rainbow corns. You open this thing up and is it a rainbow corn? Anyway, I got 1, 2, 3 of them. They actually sell on eBay. I'll throw up the comps right now for about $47 each. I don't know how fast these will sell for me, but I do believe at Christmas they will sell pretty quick. And like I said, total, I spent about $200, and these should bring me about close to $50 each plus shipping. So that's $150. So right away, I'm gonna be close to getting my money back. All right, this is another item that I got multiples of. 1, 2, there's a third one, 3 of them, right? It's an Evolution 7 1/4 or 185 millimeter, 40 tooth. These are steel blades for a saw, right? So these actually sell for about $50 new on eBay. Really good. If you ever had to buy saw blades before, they're always expensive. So 50 bucks, right? I got 3 of them, 150 bucks. You know, if I sell just these 6 items, I'm already in the profit. Now, these are some of the better items, but let me show you the rest of the stuff here. All right, next up, I have this Gym Plus Air Purifier. Now, the reason why I picked this guy up is because when I got an Amazon pallet, I believe my first one, I'll link that in the video below as well if you haven't seen it. This was something that I did get in it, and I know that it sold for pretty good money, so I picked it up. So these sell for about $40 to $45. I think I listed mine this time for like something like $45 plus shipping, and it sold pretty quick, I think within a month or so. This is brand new, sealed. Open it up. Oh. All right, there we go. It's basically still all wrapped up. It's never been used at all. Great condition. It's all wrapped nicely. So anyway, that should be a good $40 easy, you know, 40, 45 bucks. So once again, everything at the store was $10 plus tax. I picked this up. I didn't actually see a sold comp, but I thought it was pretty cool. It works for PCs, so compatible with Windows 2000, XP, 7, 8, and 10. So pretty rounded there. And then 3-in-1 USB and Smart TV PS3, and I do believe it says PS2 and PS3. It's just a little arcade stick. I think it'll probably sell for about 35 bucks. It is brand new inside. It's been opened, but it's not used. Actually, it's, oh, the bottom. So I retaped up the bottom here. The box was a little bit damaged, but it is brand new. So 35 bucks, not too bad. Next up, I have this Netgear 300 switch. It is brand new, completely sealed. These things aren't worth a ton of money, but because it's brand new, I'm not gonna have to worry about returns or anything like that. It's worth about $30 to $35. I'll throw it up on the screen just so you can see an actual comp, but brand new and sealed, 10 into 30 or 35. I'm willing to do that any day of the week. Now these are a 4-pack of Wi-Fi dimmer switches. So it's a light switch. I think you can control this with your phone as well. Like I said, it's a 4-pack. I couldn't find an exact sold comp for this brand, but they were going for about $50 US, which works out to be like 60 or so Canadian, maybe a little bit more. I'll likely sell this on Facebook Marketplace. I might throw it on eBay as well, but probably if I got $50 local for this, I'd be really happy. Either way you look at it, it's worth more than $10, so I picked it up. Now this was another item that I picked up because of my original Amazon pallet that I picked up. This was a 3-in-1 wireless charger for iPhone. So I kept one last time and sold it on Facebook Marketplace. This time I got 2 again. I kept one, it's downstairs in our house. And then this one I'm gonna sell on, I think at eBay they go for about $40. So I might try this guy on eBay, see how it goes. These are really good, high-end, that you can do a 3-in-1 charger. So it'll charge your phone, your EarPods, and your Apple Watch. So a pretty good unit, 40 bucks. I don't think it'll take too long to sell this either. So I know this is a really good item. There's no branding on this. It's a hydroponic lighting system. I'll throw up at the screen a very similar one that sold for like 200 bucks. There's some that are for $300, some for 60. But this guy, like I said, paid $10 for it. I think at the very worst case scenario, I sell this for $50 on Facebook Marketplace. But, you know, I'm going to do a little bit more research. Like I said, there's no brand on this, which makes it hard to look up. So 50 bucks Facebook Marketplace, potentially 150 on eBay. I probably will cross list and see where I get some interest, but maybe not the right time of year being that it's summer. This is more, I think, this is more like a plant starter. So I think you'd probably do better in the spring with these, but still a good pickup for $10. I couldn't leave this guy behind. Okay, so this I took a gamble on. It is Keep Real, Keep Champion. Okay, so I found this, opened it up. It's a little sack inside. Pull it out, and it's a necklace. So these particular necklaces do sell on eBay. They're all plated with 14 karat or some kind of gold. This one actually just says, I don't know if I can show this to you or not. It does have a little brand stamp there, but it also just says on the other side, so I don't know if this will come through or not, but it just says stainless steel. Don't really know what this thing's worth. 10 bucks. I might just get the $10 back out of it. You know, maybe my son or somebody might like it. Maybe somebody local will buy it for me for like 20 bucks. Not really sure, but for $10, I thought I'd take a chance. I was pretty sure it wasn't gold. I didn't actually see the stainless stamp till after, but I did see it did have the proper branding on the clasp here, so I decided to pick it up and take a chance on it. Like I said, not sure. I would value this probably around $20 to $40, but until it sells, I really have no idea what this one will sell for. Now this one I seen in the store. I opened it up, put there was batteries in actually the box here. Put it in there, tested it, and it all works. This is just a smart scale with Bluetooth. It goes for about $38 to $35. I'm actually probably going to keep this for myself personally and replace our current scale. You know, this is something that you could sell pretty easily and probably make, you know, $40 pretty easily off of this, whether you do it on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. But definitely a good pickup, but I am keeping this one for myself. Now this item, I'm not really sure what the reasoning for me for picking it up. I thought it was cool. It's just a little Airsoft mask, and that's a skull. Kind of cool. I think probably locally I might only get $15 to $20, so this is not a good pickup, but it's something, somehow I just decided to get it anyway. I thought maybe it was worth more. Couldn't find comments, but really, honestly, I think this is a $15 to $20 item. It will sell. I'll get my money back out of it. Not a great pickup, but for personal use, stuff like this would be really great if you can find it at Krazy Binz. Now, this is an electric knife sharpener. I think it's probably going to sell locally for about 30 bucks. I couldn't find this exact brand on eBay. These things do sell for anywhere from $30 to $100. This one, probably about 30 bucks to be honest. But I did pick it up because it's basically new. It's a new open box. Someone's opened the box, but it looks basically brand new inside. So it was a pretty good item, and I don't think it'll be too hard to sell this. So this is another personal item. Once again, just $10. Just a set of scissors. My wife is a hairdresser, so these are not name brand. She didn't know if they were any good. They do have some thinning shears, I think. These scissors are curved. just something neat. I don't think this is worth a ton of money. I didn't even look up comps on it. This was just for her personally. And I think she just wants to play around with them to see if they're any good. So, personal pickup. Another personal item for this little cat here is we picked up this little water fountain. So it's just a drinking fountain, right? So you fill it up. Are you gonna come over and try it? Yeah, oh no, she just wants some attention. So that was $10. I don't think it sells for a lot of money. If you pick stuff like that up, you might get 30 bucks out of it maybe. Probably an okay item, but you know, we just thought it was too good of a deal to pass up for our little kitty. So I picked up about 18 items total. You know, there's about 15 that I'm reselling roughly. I'm gonna ballpark it. There's probably about $700 gross sales here. If I subtract the $200, it's still $500 profit. You know, there's gonna be fees and stuff on that. I charge money for shipping, but so $500 less fees, that's pretty good. I was in the store for maybe about an hour total, if that. I thought there was gonna be a 30-minute time limit. Nobody asked us to leave or kicked us out, so we stayed for about an hour. So for an hour's worth of work, of course I have to list all this stuff and actually sell it. Don't get me wrong here, but $500 profit, that's pretty good. So is there money to be made at Krazy Binz? Absolutely. Now personally, here are some of the keys I think that'll help you make money at Krazy Binz or find good deals. So first, the night before at 8 o'clock, or whenever they open, 12 hours before your store opens, they open basically like a lottery. So you go on their website, you put your name, your phone number, and they put you in a queue, so a virtual line, and that tells you when you can go to the store. So if you just show up at the store, you can wait for a walk-in line, but if you don't want to do that, the virtual queue will let you know basically what time you can get in the store. So I did it instantly. I was watching the clock, wait for it to roll around, hit refresh, jumped in. I was number 7 in line. That meant I was one of the first people in the store. The other thing I did was I just used my eye and picked things that I thought looked good. And after the fact, went through the items to see what was actually all really there, if it was open or if it was brand new, what was really worth. So I had a pretty good idea the stuff that I was bringing home was going to be worth good money anyway. And that's a smart thing to do. So if you're in the store, grab everything you want to look at and then go to the testing table and make sure everything's there. Make sure things are worth what you think they're going to be worth, and you're going to leave very happy. So now if we're going to compare the first video to this video, the first video I think I went on the $6 or $8 day, and I thought it was okay. And now the reason why I just thought it was okay is because when you go first thing in the morning on $10 day, everything's brand new or as close to new as it's going to be there. Not all rummaged through, none of the packaging has been opening. It's very nice, very clean. So you get the first chance to look at good inventory. I think when you go on a restock day or if you go later in the week, this stuff has all been dug through for a couple days straight. The boxes are open, they're beat up more. People have already took a lot of the good stuff. Is there money to be made on the cheaper days? Absolutely, I think there is. But is there more money to be made on the $10 day? Yes. If you're willing to pay up, go on the $10 day. I'm telling you, there's some good stuff there. You're not going to probably find a lot of brand name stuff, but you will find some really cool stuff for personal use, some stuff you can sell online to make good money. And yeah, I think that's the key. I think the key really is to go on the $10 day, pay up a little bit, and you're going to get much better inventory from these bin type stores. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more content. Mostly reselling content, some DIY, some what solds if you're into eBay or just selling online in general. But until next time, guys, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.